Google just dropped something crazy. Their new text-to-speech models are next level. I'm talking emotions, pacing, multiple speakers. This changes everything for content creators, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let's talk about what Google just released, because this is big, really big. They just updated their Gemini 2.5 text-to-speech models, and these aren't just small improvements, these are game-changing features. I'm talking about AI voices that sound more human than ever before, voices that can change emotions, voices that can speed up or slow down based on what they're saying, and voices that can have actual conversations with multiple speakers. This is insane. So let me break down what you need to know, and more importantly, how you can start using this today. First, let's talk about what Google released. They launched two new models, Gemini 2.5 Flash TTS and Gemini 2.5 Pro TTS. Now, Flash is all about speed. It's fast, really fast, perfect for apps and real-time stuff. Think chatbots, interactive agents, anything that needs instant responses. Then you've got Pro. Pro is all about quality, high fidelity audio, studio level sound. This is what you want for audiobooks, podcasts, professional videos. Both of these are available right now through the Gemini API. You can access them in Google AI Studio. And trust me, you're going to want to try this. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The emotional control. You can tell these models exactly how you want them to sound. Want an excited tone? Done. Need something serious? No problem. Playful, confident, calm. You just tell it in your prompt and it delivers. This is huge for content creators because now you're not stuck with one robotic voice. You can match the emotion to your content. A tutorial can sound friendly and helpful. A story can sound dramatic and intense. A marketing video can sound energetic and exciting, all from the same AI. But wait, there's more. The pacing control is next level. These models automatically adjust their speed based on what they're saying. Important information, they slow down. Casual conversation, they speed up naturally. Lists and bullet points, perfect pacing. No more robotic, monotone delivery. It actually sounds like a real person talking. And here's the kicker, multi-speaker support. You can create entire conversations with different voices that stay consistent throughout. Right? Imagine creating a podcast episode with two hosts, or an interview format, or a story with multiple characters, all generated by AI, and the voices don't blend together. They stay distinct. They stay consistent. This opens up so many possibilities. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I actually use this? Let me show you. It's all about how you write your prompts. You need to be specific. Tell the AI exactly what you want. For emotions, include tags like confident and upbeat or calm and reflective. For pacing, add instructions like slow down for important points or pause between sections. For multiple speakers, define each person's role and tone. Speaker A is the energetic host. Speaker B is the thoughtful expert. The more detail you give, the better the output. And the models support 24 languages now with natural accents and pronunciations. So if you're creating content in multiple languages, this is perfect. Before we continue, let me tell you about something that can save you hours every single week. It's called AI Profit Boardroom, and it's perfect if you want to learn how to actually use tools like Gemini TTS in your business. We show you step-by-step how to automate your content creation, how to use AI for voiceovers, scripts, and so much more. No fluff, just practical strategies that work. If you're serious about using AI to grow your business, check out AI Profit Boardroom. Link is in the description. All right, back to Gemini TTS. Let me walk you through the actual setup. First, you need access to the Gemini API. Go to Google AI Studio. It's free to start. You'll see the text-to-speech options there. Choose between Flash and Pro based on what you need. Flash for speed, Pro for quality. Then you write your prompt. Here's an example. Let's say you want to create a podcast intro. You'd write something like this. Speaker A, in a friendly and energetic tone, says, "Welcome back to the show. Today we're talking about something exciting." Speaker B, in a calm and thoughtful tone, says, "Thanks for having me. I'm really excited to dive into this topic." That's it. The AI handles the rest. It creates two distinct voices with the emotions you specified and natural pacing between them. You can also control the overall style. Want it to sound like a news broadcast? Say that. Want it casual and conversational? Specify that. The more context you give, the better it performs. Now, let's talk about the technical side for a second, because some of you might be developers or want to integrate this into apps. The API is straightforward. You make a call to the Gemini endpoint, pass in your text and instructions, and you get back audio files. You can specify the voice characteristics, the language, the speed. Everything is customizable through the API, and there's full documentation available. Google has Colab notebooks you can use, step-by-step guides, code examples, everything you need to get up and running fast. But here's what I really want you to understand. This technology is moving fast, really fast. A year ago, AI voices sounded robotic and weird. 6 months ago, they got better, but still had issues. Now, they're almost indistinguishable from real voices. And the control you have is incredible. This isn't just about replacing human voices, it's about scaling content creation. Think about how long it takes to record a voiceover. You need a quiet space, good equipment, multiple takes. Editing, it can take hours. With Gemini TTS, you type your script, add your instructions, and you have a professional voiceover in minutes. That's not hype, that's reality. And it's available right now. Now, I want to address something important. Some people worry about AI replacing human creators. I get it. But here's my take. AI is a tool, just like video editing software is a tool or a camera is a tool. It doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. You still need to write good scripts. You still need to understand your audience. You still need to make strategic decisions. AI just handles the execution faster. And that's powerful because now you can test more ideas, create more content, reach more people without burning out or breaking the bank. So instead of seeing this as a threat, see it as an opportunity to do more with less, an opportunity to compete with bigger companies, an opportunity to bring your ideas to life faster. Let me give you some quick tips before we wrap up. Tip number 1, start simple. Don't try to create a complex multi-speaker production on your first try. Start with a simple voiceover. Get comfortable with the prompts, learn what works, then level up. Tip number 2, experiment with emotions. Try different tones for the same script. See which one resonates better with your audience. You might be surprised at what works. Tip number 3, use it for scripts first. Before you record yourself, use AI to test your scripts. Hear how they sound out loud, catch awkward phrasing, make improvements, then decide if you want to record it yourself or use the AI version. Before you go, I want to remind you about AI Profit Boardroom. If you enjoyed learning about Gemini TTS today, imagine having access to training on every major AI tool that launches. That's exactly what we provide. Step-by-step guides on using AI for content creation, automation, and business growth. We focus on practical applications, not theory, real strategies you can implement this week to save time and scale your output. Using tools like Gemini for voiceovers is just one piece of the puzzle. We cover everything from AI writing to video creation to workflow automation. Check it out in the description below. And if you got value from this video, hit that subscribe button. We drop new AI updates every single week, so you never miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.